we got a THREADBEAST box, the baller box. We got the box. We got a pair of LeBron James Soldier 14s. The colorway on these are white, red, navy blue. They got a nice little texture to them. I like them. Simple as that. Thumbs up for them. All right. LeBron Soldier 14s. Nice. Go with the THREADBEAST unboxing. Alright, first up we have some pink Dolphin slides. Of course, you can see they're blue. Just plain old slides, man. Ain't nothing wrong with them. It's my first pair of slides as an adult. Alright, we have some 7 for All Mankind jeans. Slim jeans. They feel pretty good. Alright, they got some nice feeling to them. Soft, they're a little stretchy. Man, can't complain about them. Alright, this next shirt was a THREADBEAST Grizzly T. It was a bonus to the package. I don't think it's supposed to be shown. I'm not for sure, but look. It's a nice tee. Alright, next up we have a classic tee. Thumbs up to this one. I like the little logo on the bottom. And the extra step. The tee is soft. Fits just right. I like that leather fit, but this will work. All right, next up we have a Us versus Them t-shirt. This is the back, big yellow logo. All right, small logo on the front. Us versus Them. Another thumbs up. I like the way it looks. Alright, next up we have some Diamond Supply sweat shorts, black and white. The logo is white on the left leg. Hey, these feel good, man. They fit good, look good. Cannot complain. Thumbs up for those. I like these type of shorts. Alright, next up we have some PSD Boxers. I really like these, man. I've been replacing all my old undies with these, man. They are sweet. Hey, make sure you check out my Amazon link. Get you a pair. Yo, next up we have a button-down Slate and Stone short sleeve shirt. It's a pretty nice shirt. I can't complain about it. There's a little spot on it, but hopefully nobody will see it. Maybe some wrist print. I'm not for sure. I'm just gonna go with it. Yo, next up is a Grizzly jacket. This is a nice hoodie. It's like I guess a windproof hoodie. It's a little thick. Summertime right here. Right now I'm in St. Louis. I do ride motorcycles. I do wear long sleeve shirts most of the time while I'm riding. It's too hot for this. But hey, I'm gonna add it to the collection of sweatshirts I got and hoodies. This will be worn. This is a nice jacket, alright? Here we go. Alright, next up we have some white Adrians. They got a nice little texture to them. They're soft, they're a little stretchy. I don't know what you call them, man. They got the little ripples in the thighs, man. Man, they look good. The shirt that I got previous, the button-down shirt, Slate and Stone, goes perfect with it. Out of every box that I've got, they at least added, it seemed like they added an outfit like this in the box. So I cannot complain about THREADBEAST. This is a big thumbs up for THREADBEAST. I get a lot of my urban wear, my t-shirts, my graphic tees, but I also get a little shirt and pants that I can step out in, clean up a little bit. Yeah, so here we go. This is the last thing off the box, a Grizzly hat. I really like the hats, man. I really like the hats. It's a black and red, of course, you see it. Adjustable hat, not fitted. The thread on is real nice. Man, that is it. That is it. It's a 3. Thanks for coming. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. all the good stuff. Peace.